Thank you for tuning in once again to your YouTube channel. This is Don Loco Show. Please, should in case you are new on this particular channel, do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be definitely notified. Please, to like video is for free, to share video is for free, and also keep dropping comment at the comment section is also for free. Today I will be telling you guys, because when you go around Europe or around the world, you see most Africans, they always have this pressure of trying to have a job. Today I will be telling you guys the best tip that you can have the easy job on earth. Anywhere you find yourself on in any country out of your own personal country, please believe me, you easily find a job. So are we ready? There are just two possible tips. In less than 7 minutes we are done. One, before you want to travel out or you are already abroad, do yourself this favor. Try to learn a trade. What do I mean? Try to have something doing, something that you are specialized on. You can either be a motor mechanic, you can either be motor electrician, you can either be tire repairs, you can also be a plumber, you can also be a house repair, or let me say a house electrician. In that domain where you go abroad, it will be easy for you to have a job. Why? Most of these specialist jobs that you are specialized, they always have a unique language that any part of the world you go, they always communicate. They have a way they always communicate, right? Don't go abroad when you want to ask somebody, oh, I want to travel. You tell me, in my country, I was a teacher. Teaching what? Oh, I did modern letter. Modernizing what? Or you want to tell somebody, I did business management. Businessing what? Managing what? Keep those things aside. Go and specialize on a particular trade. When you know some of these things, or somebody tell you, I was a driver. Driving what? You have a B driving license. You are telling people you are a driver. Abroad, B, when you are 18 years, B is just like an ID card. Everybody can have it. C, everybody can have it. When you tell somebody I'm having D, when you tell somebody I'm having G, somebody who can drive caterpillar, trailer, that's where you can call yourself a driver. That's what makes you professional in that particular job, because you have obtained a license to that particular job. So those are some of the things you have to know. Don't tell people I was doing this. You are just mixing yourself. If you want to go and succeed abroad, please believe me, ask anybody who has been abroad and is having this particular trade. It is easy for him to have a job in this particular domain. That is one. Number two, anytime you get to a particular country, make sure you learn the language of that country. Please, I am very sorry, the nation we are coming from, or the African continent we are coming from, we are mostly French or English speaking nation. These things, they don't work mostly in other part of the world. It is mostly in Africa that you see that. Go to Europe, go to Asia, they have their own language that they use. Anything they want to manufacture, they use their languages, except when they want to communicate. No matter how little that country is, no matter the population, do yourself that favor. Learn the language. Anytime you learn your language, please believe me, it will be easy for somebody to communicate or favor you in your job site. But when first of all, you don't know the language of that nation, for you to have a job is very, very difficult. Go around the world, you see people having this pressure, or they want to have a job, or they don't have a job. Try to learn the language. When you learn the language, it will be easy for you to suit yourself, because there are a lot of opportunities that your language can carry you. But when you keep this mentality of English and French, it does not work. Do yourself this favor, it does not work. If you are thinking that you have the English, you think that you have the French, and you want to come and when you get to people's country, they don't speak it, what will you do? It will be difficult for you to have a job. So this particular issue, put that in your mind. When you know the language of that particular issue, of that particular nation rather, it will be easy for you to have a job. And let me give you a bonus tip. Make sure you have a good CV. Your good CV sometimes communicates to others. Your good CV, sometimes places that you are supposed to ask a lot of questions, your CV has already communicated to the person that's carrying out an interview or some sort of stuff like that. And again, we always have a lot of apps that when you go there, it can be easy for you to find a job. We have apps. Go and check it. It is easy for you to have. Some people say Bazaraki, some people say Facebook Marketplace. So Go any nation they have apps that people can, the old go there, you go and apply to have job. It will be easy for you. So when you have some of this thing, believe me, anybody that have this thing and you don't have a job, ask me. When you have this particular thing, it will be easy for you anywhere in the world to have a job, so that you can pay your bills. Life can be easy for you, because after all, it's for you to have a good job and you can easily go around and do your things. But if you don't have this thing, please, you are wasting your time. So this message I'm communicating, do me a favor, share it to people back home who want to travel abroad, so that they should know. I know a lot of people that don't want to tell people abroad, when they tell you don't listen. I have a lot of friends, when I tell them they don't listen, but that is the reality that they are going to face. Tell them these things I'm telling you. Share it to friends, relatives, loved ones, so that they should prepare their mind. Whether it is German, make sure you learn it well. Whether it is Finnish, whether it is Greek, any language of your that any place you find yourself, make sure you learn the language at least, so that you can easily communicate and enter into the system. When you can communicate, you can enter the system. You can easily find your way out of how to have document, start to make life, right? Do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, so anytime I will do a video like this, you will definitely notify. Till then, see you on another episode. Stay blessed. Bye bye. My name is Don Loco.